here we go. This is a unboxing video of a new soldering iron that I bought, and we're going to see how to solder. We're actually going to see if we can weld with it. Soldering is generally the way adjustable soldering station. Who needs instructions? It's only a lethal thing. Intended use. There we go. Let's see if we can hide these from mummy. I'm going to solder these together and hide them. Congratulations on your purchase. Soldering iron solder, storage compartment for soldering tip, temperature regulator. Okay. There we are. Watch you don't get electrocuted by it.
Are you serious? You're doing a video of little solder down?
Yep. We're going to see if we can get it working. Ooh.
What's that?
That's where you put it in.
It's like sword?
Yep. There we are. We're zoomed out. Now, what is that in there?
What's the smoke now?
Oh, that's a solder. Handy wee storage compartment for it. Look at that. Awesome.
Just knock everything over.
So, put that in there. We will unhook this, unravel this. Unplug the plug, and we will get it plugged in. Oh, first of all, we need to make sure that this is unraveled too, where the soldering iron lead is. There we go. Now, I don't know what way that's meant to sit. Oh, that hooks on. Okay, this hooks on to here. Somehow. Let me see. Can't get this in the way. Right, that plug goes there. Soldering iron goes there. Now, it looks like it goes in there. That goes in there. Oh yes, that goes in there. And then this. Oh yeah. There's a wee rubber thing goes on there, so if I hadn't took it off, there would have been flames. So
Right, this is not gonna work.
we are going to put that in there. We're then going to plug it in. And we're going to hit the on switch. There we
Be
go.
careful.
Now, here is a wee roll.
What's that for?
That's a solder. Now, I don't know how you know it's heated up.
I think you'll know if you touch it.
Yeah, but does that wee light go off or something?
Don't know.
Let me see. We will read instructions. And we will intended use, safety instructions, mount the coil spring, prepared for first use, 24. Okay, insert the coil of the coil spring as far as it will go into the recess of the soldering station that is provided for the first C folded page. Yeah. So why would it be in there if we're going to use it? The soldering tip may be removed when the device switched off where the soldering tip cooled down. The soldering tip has a screw thread that can therefore be replaced quickly and easily on the soldering iron. To remove the turn it clockwise, not anti-clockwise. What are you talking about? Oh, to remove that to clean it. Right, now we get it.
What's he doing? He's sitting on that for.
And set the temperature. Oh, I forgot to set the temperature. Oh, we'll go to 4 for this, sure. Yeah, remove the protective cap. So I did do that now.
You know what they say, if you can light a match, you know how to light a match.
Level 1 is 100, level 2 is 200. 300, that's up to 400. Oh my
You
goodness.
sure you wanted 400, father?
Oh. Normal operation when using lead-free solder. Heating up time approximately 2.5 minutes. Level 4 for removing solder. So down to level 3. Level 4 is when you want to desolder something.
What are you doing? Little sheep.
Right, okay. Here we go. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to put this down. Okay, I'm going to try something. Yeah, so we're just moving this over here. And without mummy hearing. What are we going to do, Connor?
Huh?
Without mummy knowing, we're going to make the ultimate accessory, which is
Fapoon.
it's an advanced spork. It's like your normal spork, but it's bigger. Okay, so you might think, you know, I'm going to eat breakfast, have some cereal, and maybe some sausages with your breakfast. So here we're making a device, but don't be telling mummy. Okay.
Can I try it?
So we need to put this down so we don't destroy the table.
Don't put it on paper.
Let me see. There.
Do we have any non-flammable objects we can put it on instead?
There. And we're going to do this right here. I want to see if this works.
Can I try?
A wee minute. I'll try a wee bit
Bit
first.
whenever I know what I'm doing with it. Well, how do you know it's heated up?
I don't even know if this is warm enough.
I don't think it's heated properly yet. We don't put it to your face.
I'm sniffing. See, it says it takes about 2.5 minutes. So,
Did we test it on that little thing there?
I'll use the smaller shoulder. Put that back in there.
Oh, it's smoking.
What's smoking?
I can see smoke coming off of it.
Yeah. So let me see if I do this. Maybe the smaller one will melt.
It's just not warm enough yet.
Yeah. It says 2.5 minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it up a bit. And then we're going to wait. And we're going to make our spork.
No. A spork is that. We're making a fapoon.
A fapoon? We're making a fapoon. Okay,
A
so don't even think of copying us because it's copyrighted already. So,
Definitely sure.
okay. Our fapoon.
Finally, can be safe around matches. Finally, can be safe.
So, it'd be good if it said it was actually heated up. So, only way to do it is the.
What is it good for?
Oh. What bit? Oh, there's something happening here.
Oh, yeah, that's a lot of smoke.
So,
You're burning the spoon?
Mummy doesn't know what we're doing. Yeah, there. So if I put this wee bit along here. No, it's still not. We'll use the.
I'll put it on the queen of the spoon then.
What? Didn't do anything.
I burned it.
Let me see if we can. Oh, it's still not melting. Oh, there it is. It is melting.
You might put it on.
There.
What the?
Oh, missed there. There, and then we need to move this across. It's all on the end of this. So if I do there and then keeps moving. Can you hold this?
The fork?
Yeah, it keeps moving, you see.
Okay.
So,
Like that.
yeah. Nope. And I will try
Oops, sorry.
to do this. Once we get one bit, oh, that was it. No, we need to hold it. Once we get one bit done, there. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, there's one wee bit on. Let me see if it stays. That's it. Let me see if it stays then. Yeah.
That's it.
So we need to do a lot more on it. So hold this on it and
Try a bit.
hold on a wee second to get a wee bit done. Oh, it's moving again. Oh, seriously. There's a big blob there. So if I heat this blob again. Shit. So it's, oh, I thought I had it there. Where's the blob going? There.
This should be it.
Maybe we need thicker. Ah, it keeps moving.
It's the whole object this time, with both the spoon and the fork, I think.
Yeah, I think if we move this blob, right, I have a big blob here, and then do this, it'll stick.
You may need to push it down a bit.
It'll stick underneath it.
And before it's flat, it floated a bit above it. You like keep
Right.
off the bottom bit, I think.
There we are. No,
It's happy sitting off of it.
this is just not sticking at all.
The metal's not compatible, maybe?
Yeah, I think it's a solder kit, not a welding kit. But we will try to make
What
a,
does soldering do?
don't know,
You don't know.
but looks cool.
You ask, make people think.
Yeah, it's just not sticking together.
What does soldering do?
No, can I solder
Joining metal parts to form a mechanical or electrical bond.
yeah. So there we have a big blob.
Can you solder a spoon and fork together? You sell rice pudding? Can you solder a spoon and fork together?
Nope, it's just not. It's just not sticking. Hey,
I have no idea.
what?
I think you're not meant to use that for this. I think I meant that and like melt down a bit of the fork.
I thought it might have worked. Oh,
Oh, wait, maybe not.
oh, have we made it? We'll do another bit at the side then. You can do that side, okay?
I'll try because I don't want to get myself burned.
Yeah, as long as you don't touch the metal bit. So like, I'm heating up there and then just pushing that into it.
Well, you reckon you could let a match with a soldering thing? Probably, actually.
Yeah.
Best not to try it though. My match trick didn't work though, like magic trick thing with them.
So I'm going to hold this here and then just squeeze it on there. Ah, no, did that move? Ah, it broke a solder. I have to start again that bit. Here, Connor, do you want to do a bit then?
Well,
I'll
you
try
turn
and-
the cameras off.
No, I mean, you just lean over. It's only your hand that's on it.
I'll hold that down.
Oh, look, there's a big perfect ball. There. Right, so you hold this,
What am I holding?
this, and then that, and then do that edge there.
Nope.
Do you want me to do this bit?
I'm sure you hold it on
Yeah,
the
there.
soldering it. So how does this work?
It's just heat. She
It's
just
kind of hard from this angle, I'll be honest, man.
move this a little bit then.
Be
go. Now in here then, just put it on top of that, it'll melt it all. Oh, there. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's a good job. Right, do it over here then, try and get
Oh my
this.
goodness, but you're doing
I'll do this bit over here then.
it.
These aren't really good first go there.
No.
So we tried to make a video on our cat. We got him a new catnip ball and
I don't think I want to use it.
doesn't like it. Don't know what's wrong with it. So let me see. Let me see if we made our spork. Alright, is this going to be warm?
Don't touch it.
Let me see.
Die. Oh, boredom. Oh.
Ooh. Oh, are you serious? So, it's not a welding gun.
Can you turn the cameras off soon? Because I want to try it.
Yeah, hold
I
on.
might be able to get it to work.
Oh, look at that.
I was thinking like use it like glue.
Let me see if that done the job. No. There we are. There's our field attempt at using soldering iron as a welder overnight. Bye.